safely. Our flights landed without us crashing. We got on the right train, that was a plus. And now we're here enjoying the beautiful scenes, beautiful history behind Italy. You know, fun fact, this was actually where Napoleon was crowned Emperor of Germany.
Germany, not Germany.
Yeah. Is that Napoleon
Dynamite?
Yeah. Oh, that's what I thought.
It's a great movie.
Okay. Yeah.
I have 2 coffees, staying extra hydrated.
Okay.
We're headed to the Apple store. We had a little bit of a predicament. My phone stopped working. Train tickets on the ground. We're a bit of a mess right now. Thank you. We're a bit of a mess right now.
Yes.
We'll update you later.
Kim Kardashian's here. It's chaos out here.
Yeah.
Fashion Week in Milan, Italy.
Is that him over there coming up beside the buses?
Most likely on the right side.
Oh,
Get up there. Get up there. Valentino fails us again.
Valentino's a fraud.
She is a fraud.
India.
I think this Apple store is actually where Steve Jobs was conceived.
Yeah, I think you're right. That's what I heard.
way.
And I read that in the book, actually.
No way.
Right over
Yeah.
here.
Right under there?
You just got to be careful, you know. In
That's
Italy, they do things a little different.
Just a little bit. These are stealth steps. You can't even see them.
We're at the Apple store. It's not looking good. Waiting for a technician to come and help me. Got our fingers crossed.
All right, so Matt's phone is going to be fixed. No, take it back. Matt's phone is dead. It's gone. No repairs. He's buying a new one. It's gone. We're going to throw it down a drain pipe at the end of this. But while we're waiting on his new one to be fixed and ready to go, we're going to get some coffee.
Good to go. Got the new iPhone 13 Pro Max XL, 380 gigabytes. Got all my contacts. We're ready to explore Europe. We're here in Switzerland. We're headed to our final destination, which is Zermat. Zermat. And the mountains are looking good.
Zermat.
We got some nice. Just look at this mountain water. That is mountain water.
Can you gargle that sucker?
I just filled this up outside, right off the edge of the cliff.
sidewalk.
Oh my goodness.
Right off the side.
Right
Well,
off the sidewalk.
as it was rolling off the edge of the sidewalk, I just put my bottle underneath it.
That is
So
beautiful.
we're headed in. We're gonna get settled in on our Airbnb. Maybe grab a little dinner, shave a little black truffle onto our pizzeria. We're out of here. Halfway through our train ride here, we are climbing fast. Let's just say the incline is at least 80 to 180 degrees. Headed to Zermatt still, almost there. Views are great. Where are we?
We have just landed in Zermatt. Boy, oh boy, are we excited. We're pumped, we're starving. It's a roller. We're about ready to go in town, find an Airbnb, kind of settle in, and then get some truffles. Here she is.
There she is.
Just like how we were from.
Oh. Oh, home sweet home. Yes. Nitro brew.
All right, we've made our way out of the hotel and we're now on the search for food. Looking for that truffle shaving.
We need the truffles, we need the truffles.
All right, that's day one.
We're in this little elevator.
We're stuffed with food and we're in a good mood.
Yes.
That's right.
And now,
We just had the best Italian meal of our lives.
of our lives.
Yeah.
Now that we're energized, we're gonna get a good night's sleep and start early in the morning.